Hi everybody and welcome to Harfang High Level tutorial. We will see how to use LOD. So first you need to import Harfang High Level as HL for simplicity. Then you initialize and create your window of 512 by 512 pixels. Then you add an FPS camera. We'll put it a bit higher, a bit behind. Then you create your LOD node. So you ask the LOD manager to create it for you. You give it a name, it will be called LOD, and an array of path to the geometry and a distance to clip. We will take it from the model folder. It will be LOD0GLB and a distance of 1. After 1 meter it will go to the second. For the last one you don't need any distance because it's from 4 meter to infinite. Then you create your game loop to draw and update the scene. And that's it. You know how to use LOD. See you soon with new tutorial.